Hello Nimo Nation and a happy new year, guys. Welcome to 2023 and welcome to my YouTube channel as well. If you're new here, my name is African Nimo, a Kenyan girl working in the Saudi Arabia as a nanny at the moment. And as you've seen on the title of this video, I'm gonna be talking about this phone that I got just the other day at the beginning of 2023. But first of all, let me tell you, I've been using iPhone for the past 5 years, since 2017, and I have been using this iPhone 6s Plus, which I had gotten for the same amount, by the way, that I got the current phone for, which I will let you know shortly. But this phone has been falling multiple times as I make videos, and that is why it looks like that. But it is actually a good phone. It is a phone I would still recommend you buy in case you are looking forward to buying an iPhone and maybe you don't have a lot of money, because right now 6s Plus is a bit cheap, and this one I had was in 32GB, and that is exactly why I want to change it, because I think as a YouTube or a content creator I need more space. So I opted to go for the iPhone 11, which is a better upgrade, guys. Yes, this phone is a better and a good upgrade for somebody that maybe has a YouTube channel or somebody that maybe is an upcoming content creator. And yeah, this phone, hey, it's just something else. I really you guys, actually when I got this phone I didn't even open it at the shop, so I will be opening it here for the first time. But for a disclaimer, I have already made a video the first time, but I realized my phone was not recording, and that is another reason why I wanted to upgrade this phone, because I made an unboxing video and ended up repeating it all again. That is why you can see that this paper has already been tampered with. But yeah, the phone is nice. The phone feels good on the hands. The phone is white in color, and the phone has a silver side, and it's black on the front, and it comes in other 6 colors. That is, we have this white, we have the black, we have the yellow, we have the light blue, we have the purple, and we have the red. This phone is just something else, you guys. This phone, it feels good on the hand, and I'm really happy to be starting my year with a new phone, because that means more content, better content. I can't even wait to do the camera test, because I've already been in love with this phone. I really wanted to buy the iPhone 13, but due to the finance situation, and talking of finance situation, let me first of all big up my madam, because she gave me half of the money to just make a dream come true. This madam deserves the hand of applause, you guys. She gave me literally, actually more than half, because I oh my god, let me not even talk about it, but she gave me more than a half to buy this phone. And it comes with this cable and just a pin. That is why I said on this video we are as well going to talk about the cons and the pros. And one of the disadvantages about this phone, if you compare it even to the 6s Plus, is the fact that this cable just comes with a cable, and the cable this time has been changed. It is a Type-C cable, meaning you have to buy an adapter. As much as iPhone is trying to make money, I think for the money I got this phone for, at least it should have come with an adapter. But I'm still lucky. My boss got me the adapter, you guys. I'm so blessed to have my madam. I love her so much. And here's just me trying to set up the phone so I can show you exactly how it looks when it's on. But meanwhile, let me tell you, this phone, if you want to buy it and maybe you want to upgrade from Android to iPhone, it will cost you a little bit more, because it doesn't come with an adapter and some earphones. And as you can see, the jack is even different for this phone. So I think that for me is a negative. But apart from that, the phone is in good condition. The phone is nice. The phone looks great. The phone is just something else. Oh my god, you can totally see a difference on quality, on how you see things from your phone. I think it's like a TV. It's even, this is exactly what I was telling you. Welcome to iPhone. Those are the colors that I was telling you are available on this phone. But yeah, welcome to iPhone. I'm super happy. Something else that I would really love to say on this video is that my other phone was just giving me hectic. It was giving me a hard time making the videos. You guys, I'm just so happy. I'm really happy. This feels good on my hands. This feels good. This deserved even a toast. I don't even know how I forgot to make a toast for this video, but yeah, let's jump into the camera. The camera is also again something else. Just look at this, you guys. The quality. You're gonna be enjoying content 2023. You are going to enjoy content because iPhone. The quality on iPhone, it gives you all the details. It takes all the details, and this phone has come with so many advantages. You can give an up close, you can take it back. The portrait has come also. Like, the camera is just something else, you guys. Just look at this. These are just a few of the photos I'm just taking as we do this review, and I just love this camera. It has like so many features. That is why I'm saying, if you're looking forward to upgrading your phone, I think this is a good upgrade, and it is only about 70 to 90,000 Kenya shillings. Around 70 you will get it. From 70 to 90, that's a new one. You can get a second hand one, which are usually even cheaper, or you can even, for a start, you can even go for the 6splus that I was using before, but maybe buy it in a bigger storage, because mine was 32 GB. And it was good. The camera was still good, by the way, on that phone, but I was just having issues with the space. And I think iPhone has just nailed it when it comes to the camera. iPhone has just been, I don't know what they do with their cameras, but they are doing a good job with the camera. This is just me testing now. The selfie and the portrait comes in different angles, as I've told you. It comes with just even the stage. This phone is just everything, you guys. And with that comparison, I think you can make your decision before you maybe make an upgrade. But for now, give sis a hand of applause for a beautiful upgrade. I mean, I'm really super happy and excited about 2023, and I just want to wish you, my family, my Nimo Nation, some good love. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for, sis? What are you waiting for, bro? Subscribe to this YouTube channel, because on this channel you're going again to find fitness, self-care, travel and lifestyle videos. Yes, a girl is just about. And this year, by the way, I'm gonna focus more on self-care, because I've been doing a lot of self-care recently, and I think I want to include it on my niche, because why not? Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in into this video. I always appreciate your time. Let me know what you think about my new phone. Just look at this. It's really dope. Let me know what you think about my new phone. Would you actually purchase an iPhone 11 if you are in a position to, or what iPhone would you go for? Let me know in the comment section below. But for now, that is all. I must see you on my next one. Let's end this video by you following me on Instagram as well. Yeah, I'm on Instagram. I lost my main account, which was African Nimo, so right now I'm using Nimo Nation as my new Instagram account. Please go follow me there, and I will appreciate. I'll see you there. Send me some DMs. I love some DMs, guys. Please make sure you send me some messages on Instagram. Show me some love, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye. Enjoy the photos that I took with my new phone.